guys, this is back at the strategy number 2. We will start. First we need 2 free hands, so it's player and a banker. Now we follow the winner using flat betting. Okay, we lose, so now it's 3 chops, so we bet chop. Again, we bet banker. Now it's a player, and then 2 in a row. We follow the winner here. Okay, again we lose. Okay, we follow the winner. Okay, we lose again. Now, on the 7th hand, we play all bankers for 5 to 6 Martis. Again, player. Now it's a banker. So it's a chop. Again, 4 in a row. Chop. So flat bet again. Okay. Banker. Now it's a player. 2 in a row. Bet player. Okay. Another player. Tie. Ties doesn't count. Okay, now it's banker. So again, all bankers for 5 to 6 Martis. 5 to 6 martingales. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. So chop. Banker. Wow. Okay, player. Player again. It's tie. A lot of ties right now. Okay, player. So I need to banker again. Wow. 1 on first crack. So banker. Okay. Nice banker. So 3 chops. Bet chop. Wow. I make a mistake, but it's okay. It's supposed to be 3 chops, player. Okay, banker. Banker. Player. Okay, now it's okay. So we bet banker. Okay. Continue banker, following the winner. Now, following the winner's hand. There. Okay. banker until banker loses. Okay, now follow player. It's a banker. And follow banker. 1 unit. Okay. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th row. Bet all bankers. So one on the first hand, first crack, first bet. Now we follow banker. This player, follow player. Okay. Okay, one more banker. Okay, now on we bet again. Banker. Okay, first crack. And now we continue the bank. Wow, nice. Okay, how's the player? Bet on player. Banker. So we bet on banker again. If this one loses, then we bet shop. We bet one, so we follow banker. There. Now, the next line. Okay, another one win. So banker. Okay, we try one more. One more row. Okay, banker. Okay, banker. Now it's a player. Follow the player. Okay, one last, and then we start our marty. It's a banker. Okay, start our marty. Last marty. Okay, we won the first hand. Now that's it, guys. Strategy number 2. Follow the winner for 6 hands, and then each row you bet 6 marties, betting 6 bankers. Good luck, guys.